It's my compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them. Let's go scare the fuck out of some people.
Okay.
I got the gorilla now. You good?
Yeah.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
As good as I'm gonna get. Oh, dude, that's...
Ready?
Go ahead.
Did they jump?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
I'm too mature for that.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. You good?
Yeah.
What's up, brother? She's all hooked. Yeah. Stop, brother! Go. Go. Woo! Woohoo! No, go forward a little bit and go. Good. The dad jumped more. That's epic. Go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What's up, brother? Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. I'm on TV. Yeah, man. What up? Yeah.
This will be on YouTube later. All right, check. Go.
Go.
Zoom in. Get it outside the room. Yeah, brother! What's up? What's up, man? Hey, hey, hey! What's up? That was epic.
Go.
You good?
Yeah. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Oh shit! Woo!
Let's wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Go. You good? Yeah. That was. You good?
Yeah.
that jump?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him?
You wanna get the chick? Go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh my god, that was Go. Yeah.
It's going. This ain't gay.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
Oh shit!
Do it. Do it. What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh?
Fuck me. Alright, ready, Joe? Are you recording? You ready?
Go.
Did they jump?
Yeah. Now they're laughing about. Yep. That was pretty fucking funny.
Yeah, it's good. You like that? Should record the front row. They're not even looking.
That was funny though. They were actually moving.
She's like, where the hell did that come from? They're both looking. You still recording the game? Yeah, I'm still recording. She's looking at us. Look at the guy in the green. Record the guy in the green.
I wanted the guy in the
Shit. He's still waiting.
That was so fucking funny.
Just honk at him. Yeah. Nice siren, man. Did yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No, I can't. Oh, I just put it.
I came with a train horn. Do it. They're on the news. We got some asshole following us.
Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
Fucking clear, go!
Cut on the freeway.
Those horns kick ass, man.
Yeah.
You get the shit out of us.